your X account says it has been suspended, first thing first, this happens if you have violated a minor or a big terms and conditions of X. So let's go ahead and fix it. Launch your browser. At the top search bar, type in suspended account X. You will see help on your suspended X account by Twitter Help Center. So open this link. Scroll below. You have to land onto how to unsuspend your X account. You will see file and appeal, which is a button. Tap it. And once it is so, get yourself onto account access at the middle section. Under options, tap on the first one. Under second options, tap on I believe my account is hacked or compromised. Once it is so, under are you able to log into your X account, tap no here. Type in your X username, your email address which is related with your X account, the last time you were able to access your account, and confirm the method that you used to create your X account. Once it is so, you may go ahead and tap on submit after filling out all these information. And likewise, wait for X to email you back in order to fix your problem. Then follow the on-screen prompt and your account will be unsuspended.